Hi everyone, welcome to TazMan's channel. Today we're down here at the log deck. We got another load of logs for the senior classes fundraiser. So I'm here to start cutting, and I just wanted to do a little deal on the firewood ProSizer, the laser measuring device. I just wanted to show you kind of what it comes with. Of course, it comes with directions on how to put it on the saw, how to mount it, and all that kind of stuff, and how to line it up. And it comes with this nice carrying bag, and it comes with a charge cord. The charge cord is the same hookup as like an Android device, a newer Android device. It comes with a couple of little rubber patches for if you have a smaller handlebar, so the clamp will still work. And that can be, you can use, if you have super thin handles. I'm not sure if it'll work on like a McCulloch handle, because they're pretty thin. And it comes with one extra screw. It comes with one extra charge port plug. And it comes with an Allen wrench that fits the ProSizer. One thing I found is the first saw that I tried this on was the new Husky 572 XP, and when I mounted it, it was clear. It was way down on the handle. It was like even with the oil spout, so it was a little bit difficult. So I put it on this 372. Today is what we're going to start with it on. And it's, as you can see, it's higher than the oil port. So if you move it from saw to saw, kind of, you don't, it won't necessarily be in the same position on the handlebar. It's going to be different. So, and also I do not have the swivel mount yet, but that's going to be super handy with this type of a deal. And this isn't just for firewood. You could mark, if you have pretty good eyesight, you can mark out like 16/6 logs and that kind of stuff. I haven't tried it yet, but like if you're in the woods and you haul like 6 or 8 foot lengths out, you could do that fairly easy with this ProSizer. So it's not just for firewood. You can also do some log lengths. I hope this helps people. It's a really good tool. You don't have to use paint, and you don't have to use a crayon and carry extra stuff. You just got it right there. So let's look at let me get set up here. Okay, that stick that you see up there, my bar is right on the very end of it. So when I touch it, see the laser come up over here on this side? So I have this set up to where when I touch the tip of the bar on top of the log, it's going to shine your light 16 inches from there. That's what I have it set at, is 16. And you can set it up however you want to. If and it's going to depend on shorter bars. Are going to be, it's going to have a different setting. So that's all mathematical business, right? See that laser though? Right when I set it, right when it touches, see it right on the top? Hopefully you can see that. Right on the top of the stick. So in this log deck, when I set the bar, because I'm using the end of the bar, it's all pretty much smaller wood. I got a 28-inch bar on it. So when I put it on the top where I want to start my cut, it's just quick and easy. It's kind of hard to represent, but we're going to give it a shot. 1 tank of fuel in the 372 X torque, 28-inch bar, full house, 1 tank. That's pretty good on fuel, I gotta say. Keep your chain sharp. Your fuel mileage will go a lot longer. A lot longer. Alright. This log right here that lays that way, that the logs are laying on, there's this one, and this one, and this one. And they're really close together. So we have this much of the overhang over here on this side. You can see the overhang till it gets to this log. Well, we're going to go about this pile a little bit different, because see what it does when if you start from go from just one side, then you start here, you get to this last log, and then you got nothing. Then it's hanging down. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the ends of these. I'm going to cut the ends that are all off the ground, so when they do end up down here on these logs, it won't have so much overhang in the dirt, right? So that's what we're going to try. We're going to give this old 353 24-inch bar skip tooth chain 3/8 50 gauge 353 with a muffler mod. this little corner, one tank in the 353. We're getting it trimmed off there though. I'm gonna keep going like that. Should work out pretty good. Then the logs will balance a little bit better. Look who came to join in on the fun. Oh boo! Yeah, buddy. MS-271 with the laser ProSizer, firewood ProSizer on that bad boy. Check him out. He's all chopped up. Come down. Oh yeah, buddy. Here we go. Day one. 5 or 6 tanks of fuel through chainsaws. One through the 372 and the rest through the 353. It's a pretty good jag of wood cut. Oh yeah, that's a good dent. Put a real good dent in it. Awesome. Thanks, Lloyd, for your help. Sarah, for the offering of a granola bar. So, Lloyd, what do you think of the ProSizer?
That is pretty awesome. I really like that. Coming from the left to the right is a little bit better for me. I'm left-handed, so it's like better for me to measure. But that little tool is pretty cool. I like that. I really like that. It's quick. You don't have to pre-cut, measure and stuff like that. So, you can get right to it.
And how long did it take us to set it up on your saw this morning?
About 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes.
That's it. Yeah.
And away you go. Cut your time in half on the pile. More cutting time, right? That's what we're after.
Right.
More time on the saw.
That's it.
Well, I appreciate your help, buddy.
Hey, not a problem.
I do. I really do. It's awesome.
I loved it. My back's hurting, but I'm okay.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get Lloyd a longer bar situation going on, so he's not, right here, right? Yeah, it's a stand up and buck situation.
Yep.
So right on. Thanks everybody for joining us. I know this video is going to be all over the place, but it's all good. It's going to be something. All right, everybody, take care and be safe. We love y'all.
Take care.
TazMan. And
Old
Old
Blue.
Blue. And who?
Windrider.
Windrider. Yeah, we're rolling.
Rolling.